What is plausible deniability? The term plausible deniability was coined by the CIA in the 1960s to describe the withholding of information from senior officials in order to protect them from repercussions, in the event that certain activities undertaken by the CIA became public. Today, in the cryptocurrency space, it is used as a term to deny the existence of a wallet in the event of blackmail or physical threat by giving out a bait wallet. There are different ways to do this, but the principle behind it is always the same. The wallet for your daily use is based on a private key derived from your seed words, as usual. The seed words are stored somewhere safe. This is the bait wallet. If someone threatens you to get the seed words, you give it to him, and he can access this wallet. By using an additional passphrase together with the same seed words, you can generate a new secret wallet. This works because the private key derived from this combination is completely different. You should store most of your ADA in this secret wallet. An attacker might be able to steal some ADA from you, but he won't be able to access your fortune or even find out that a second wallet exists. You are not limited to only 2 wallets. Any other passphrase will lead to a new private key and therefore a new wallet. You can have as many bait wallets and as many secret wallets as you like. You have to understand that this also means if you lose this passphrase, make a typo, or forget a letter, there will be no error message. It will just be a new wallet, and of course, it will be empty. So try not to lock yourself out. Most hardware wallets support this function, but the additional passphrase has to be enabled manually. Please stick to each device's respective manual. For example, Ledger calls this feature the advanced passphrase. For Trezor users, this feature is known as the passphrase. You can have this feature even with the paper wallets that you can create in Yoroi. Yoroi just calls it the password. Please don't confuse this additional passphrase with the spending password. Plausible deniability can take your crypto security to the next level, but is not something you can achieve by flipping a switch in the settings. It requires diligence and discretion at all levels. Don't transfer from a bait wallet directly to your secret wallet. Use an exchange. If you decide to store the passphrase at all, don't store it together with the seed words. Don't be too stingy with your bait wallet either. It has to look real to fool an attacker. Using the bait wallet continuously is very important. A bait wallet that has been used for a long time and with recent transactions looks better than a wallet with only one very old transaction. Don't leave traces in wallets or crypto tracker apps. Don't brag about your crypto. If your friends or foes know you have a huge amount of ADA somewhere, they'll torture you with a drill until you give access to the alternate wallet. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.